At first glance, this geometry problem looks almost impossible. Two adjacent squares, different side lengths, several diagonals, and a mysterious point O. Yet, with a clever use of homothety, we can prove that three seemingly unrelated points are perfectly aligned. Can you see why before the end of the video? Consider two adjacent squares. The first square, colored green, is denoted ABCD and has side length equal to 3 units. The second square, colored yellow, is denoted BEFG and has side length equal to 2 units. Let O be the intersection point of the rays A, B, and CF. Our goal is to prove that the points O, D, and G are collinear. To do this, we will show that G is the image of D under a homothety centered at O. We first note that the lengths A, B, and BE are respectively equal to 3 units and 2 units. Now we draw the diagonals AC and BF. Since the measures of angles BAC and FBE are both equal to 45 degrees, the lines AC and BF are parallel. Next, we define the homothety H with center O and ratio K, such that the image of point A is point B. Because the lines AC and BF are parallel and intercepted by the transversals A, B, and CF, Thales' theorem gives the ratio OF divided by OC is equal to the ratio OB divided by OA and is equal to K. Therefore, the image of point C under the homothety H is point F. Let us keep this result in mind. Since AC is a diagonal of square ABCD whose side length is equal to 3 units, the Pythagorean theorem implies that AC is equal to the square root of 2 times the length AB. Therefore, AC is equal to 3 multiplied by the square root of 2. Similarly, BF is equal to the square root of 2 times the length BE, which means that BF is equal to 2 multiplied by the square root of 2. Therefore, the ratio BF divided by AC is equal to 2 divided by 3. Hence, BF is equal to 2 divided by 3 multiplied by AC. Since the vectors BF and AC have the same direction and the same orientation, we obtain vector BF is equal to 2 divided by 3 multiplied by vector AC. Because A is sent to B and C is sent to F by the homothety H, we also have vector BF is equal to K multiplied by vector AC. Comparing these two equalities, we conclude that K is equal to 2 divided by 3. Now consider the segments DC and GF. Their lengths satisfy. GF divided by DC is equal to 2 divided by 3. Since GF and DC are parallel and have the same orientation, we obtain vector GF is equal to 2 divided by 3 multiplied by vector DC. Combining this with the fact that the homothety H has ratio 2 divided by 3 and sends C to F, we conclude that D is sent to G. Therefore, G is indeed the image of D under the homothety centered at O. Since, under a homothety, a point and its image are always aligned with the center of the homothety, we conclude that OD and G are collinear. We have successfully shown that point G is the image of point D under a homothety centered at O with ratio 2 divided by 3. As a consequence, the points OD and G must lie on the same straight line. And that completes the proof. If you learned from this geometric proof, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your own solution in the comments regarding the proof. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ. Using the link in the description, vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today. See you in the next mathematics challenge.